Something big just happened inside the United States. A top intelligence official has resigned, not because of failure, but because of he says this war should never have started. So, what is really going on in the Iran war, and why is the system cracking from inside? This war didn't start slowly. It began with a shock on February 28, a massive joint operation by the US and its allies led to the killing of Iran's supreme leader, a move that changed the Middle East forever. Soon after, thousands of airstrikes, naval clashes, and oil routes went under threat. The US even launched a huge bombing raid on Kharag Island, Iran's most important oil hub, and the message was clear. This wasn't a warning, this was a full scale strategic war. The US government says this war has clear goals: destroying Iran's missile system, stopping its nuclear ambition, and above all, breaking its military strength. Officials claim thousands of targets have already been hit, but here is the twist. Even after all this, Iran is fighting back. Oil prices are rising up, and the war is expanding. Now comes the moment that shocked everyone. A top US intelligence official, Joe Kent, resigned, but quietly, but with a powerful message. He said Iran posed no immediate threat to the US. The war was not necessary, and most shocking, the US may have been pushed into this war. His words were clear: I cannot support this war in good conscience. This makes him the first senior official to step down over the war. So, what is the real twist here? According to Kent, the threat from Iran was exaggerated. Decision making ignored dissenting intelligence. External pressure may have influenced US action, but the US government strongly denies this. The White House says there was a real threat. This war is justified, and critics are speaking false claims. So now we have two completely different truths. This resignation reveals something deeper. Inside the US itself, leaders are divided. Intelligence agencies disagree, and even political groups are split. Some support the war, others say it's another Iraq style mistake. Protests have already started across America. And now the question is no longer just about Iran, it's about who decides war and on what basis. This war is no longer regional, it's affecting oil supply across the world. Shipping routes like Hormuz and global alliances, countries like Japan are being pressured. The world is watching because one wrong move could turn this into a global conflict. So here is the real question. If a top insider says the war wasn't necessary, should we question the system or trust the official narrative? Because history has shown us one thing: wars just don't happen on battlefield. They begin with decisions, and sometimes those decisions are not what they seem. What do you think? Truth or strategy? Thank you.